Who do the Jets play? They play New England. And what are they famous for in New England? They're famous for a clam bake. And guess what we're making today? We're making a clam bake. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. All right, guys. Welcome back. The New York Jets play the New England Patriots. And today, we're making a New England clam bake. So we got our shells from our shrimp that we've saved. You know, you always see people say, hey, save your shrimp shells because you need it for stock. We got our mussels, we got our little neck clams, we got parsley, we got red potatoes, we got bread, we got corn on the cob, we got some shrimp, right? We got some clam juice. If I need to add some liquid, it's going to be this clam juice. And then we also got some crab legs. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and get prepared to get this going, and I'll be back. All right, guys, so check this out, right? If you see the clam open like this after you picked it up, it's no good, that's dead. All right, so now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to be just wiping these off. They're all pretty clean, the beard has been removed. So I'm just gonna wipe them down real quick with a wet paper towel. See how much grit is on there? I can't hear you see that. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash these down, wash down the clams, and then we'll get started. I'm gonna go ahead and salt these. And these are gonna get some water, and they're gonna go in the pot. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get started on our base for our stock. So I'm going in with some butter. Right, and now before the pan gets too hot, I'm going in with the garlic. You want to bloom this garlic. And that's like 4 big cloves of garlic. I'm just going to give this a few seconds. I'm not doing any onions or anything like that. All right, so I'm starting to smell it now. And then we're going in with some white wine. So that's about a half a cup. We're gonna let that cook out, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, that's been going for about a minute or so, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some of our shrimp shells. And we're gonna be putting shrimp in here, but we're not putting as much as we're putting in the shells in. So we're gonna really intensify this flavor. Hey guys, this is nothing traditional about this at all, and so I'm doing it my way, the way I think it should be done, you know, because we're talking about New England here, and being a sports fan, you know, things that are going on up there just, you know, just don't excite me too much. So I'm doing it my way. So this is my interpretation of a clam bake. So these have turned pink, so they're pretty much probably cooked through right now. So I'm gonna just let this go a few more minutes. I'm gonna turn this down and let this go a minute or two. All right, guys, so next we're going in with some Mrs. Dash Italian Melody. I'm gonna say that's probably about a tablespoon. And I've just got an idea in my head here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a little bit of Old Bay in here. I'm going in with some Just not that much, a little Old Bay. Missed one. All right, so this is the base of our soup base. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste while I can before we put the raw seafood in there. See what this tastes like. That's good, guys. That's good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a little bit more clam juice for a little bit more liquid. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the corn. Go ahead and cover this up and let that corn start to cook. And we'll be back. All right, guys, it's been a few minutes now. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And our potatoes are probably 3/4 of the way done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put our potatoes in here so that they're on the bottom along with the corn. Now, we're gonna start building this out. Now I do want to add a little bit more, I guess I would say, liquid. I don't have any more clam juice. So I'm just going in with some of this potato water. And hopefully, what I'm hoping for is that we'll start to get a little thickening action going, maybe just a little bit. Because this is more about the bake, not so much the juice. But we are going to pour this soup base over top of our clams and our snow crab legs. So that's done. And I'm going to go ahead and close this back down again. And that's going to go another 3 minutes or so. And there we go. That's closed down. And we're going to go another 3 minutes and we'll be back. All right, guys, so it's been a few minutes now, and let's see what we got. We should be almost there. Let's just check these potatoes for doneness. They're right through, so those are done. So now our seafood is probably not going to take that much longer to cook. So corn is done, definitely. So let's go ahead and go in with our seafood. Now, the snow crab legs are already cooked. So we're gonna go down with our clams. Sorry, clams. These are gonna take a little bit longer. And they're gonna release their juices. I wonder how much more liquid we're gonna have in here when we're done. So, and then we're gonna go in with our mussels. Now, anything that doesn't open up, we're not gonna eat, right? Everybody knows that. I almost forgot the shrimp. I'm gonna put the shrimp closer to the bottom here. Hopefully that'll be steamed up. If not, we'll just go ahead and pull the mussels out and we'll put the shrimp in. Now we left the shells on the shrimp. It's deveined, but we left the shells. That's just for more added flavor. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our snow crab legs here on top. Hopefully this is all gonna fit, right? And another mussel. So everybody's gonna get 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're gonna close this up. Doesn't quite make it, but. All right, guys, so the difference between done and overcooked is just a mere minutes. So let's go ahead, take a look. It's been probably about 3 minutes. I've been watching Master Chef, and I would say it's about a commercial or two. These are probably just done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the side here. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna check our shrimp. Our shrimp looks like it's not done at all, because we probably should have put those in before we put in the crabs. So let's just go ahead and stick these shrimp down here on the side. And our clams are opening up. Look at that. Clams are open, mussels are open. Guys, when we last looked in here, it wasn't, right? So let's get our shrimp down in here. So we're gonna go ahead and fish out our clams and everything and get this stuff plated. By the time we do that, that shrimp should be cooked. All right, guys, so now we got our plate made, right? We got our juices down inside. Matter of fact, let's actually put some more broth on top. Let's get some more broth. About another piece of shrimp. Another piece of shrimp here. How about one more clam? Sure, one more clam. We got our bread, right? And this is ready. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit this up with some little bit of Old Bay. Just go across the top with some Old Bay. Guys, and that's it. We're done. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go in right here with some bread. I got some butter on here too, right? Guys, that sauce is good. Gonna hit this clam right here. Yeah, the clam is good. I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley. We're calling for our thumbnail. It's time for our flyover. We got our clam bake. Yep, we got a clam bake. Now, I've been recording this before the game, so I'm hoping the Jets have baked the New England Patriots. Yes. So we're all done. And this is our food, guys. We got a nice little clam bake. Let's take a look at our pot. Yep. Oh, look at this. Now, what would I be doing if I didn't put a crab leg on top of there? Huh? Why did I forget that? Oh, yeah. That's our clam bake, guys. And we're done. Oh, yes, we are. Easy, delicious. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other videos and let's get cooking.